Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for the 9th day of my 12 days of Christmas series, I want to spice things up with this Mexican spiced hot chocolate. It is your traditional hot chocolate but with a little bit of kick to it and more flavor. So if you want to see how to make this easy recipe, keep on watching. So in a pot, I am adding 4 cups of 2% milk. I am making hot chocolate for 4 people. You can either use 2% milk or you can use whole milk if you want a richer hot chocolate. But I feel like the 2% works really well because at the end, the hot chocolate gets really thick. And then I'm going in and I'm adding 100% cacao, unsweetened cacao to my milk. And I am using 3 tablespoons of that. And I'm also adding sugar, 4 tablespoons, but you can also use sweetened condensed milk. And for this part, is optional. I am adding bittersweet chocolate chips. If you don't like bittersweet chocolate chips, you can add semi-sweet chocolate chips. And now for our spices. For our spices, I am adding some ground cinnamon, some nutmeg. I will have all the detailed recipes below. I'm also going to add some vanilla extract. Make sure it's pure vanilla extract and not imitation. And then for the pepper. This part is optional if you don't like pepper. I went crazy and I added 1/4 teaspoon of both chili and cayenne, and it was too spicy at the end. So I would recommend adding the pepper at the end and put a pinch of both. And finally, just add some sea salt to your hot chocolate to balance everything out. And now this part is optional, but I added some Star Anise. You don't have to, but I just love the flavor it adds to drinks. And then I also added 1 stick of cinnamon. You don't need to. You already have the ground cinnamon, but that's it. I cooked my hot chocolate on low fire, really low fire, for about 20 minutes. Let that simmer until it thickens. And you don't have to do it for the whole 20 minutes. Just depends how thick you want your hot chocolate. I wanted mine really thick, so I left it there for about 20 to 25 minutes. When it's done, it should be really thick. Just turn the fire off. And that is it, guys. It is so easy to make the hot chocolate. And if you want to be extra like me and you want some homemade whipped cream, check it out and see how to make it. So in a bowl, just add about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. It just depends on how much whipped cream you want. But just note that the whipped cream doubles in size when you whip it. And I'm just adding 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And that is it, guys. It is very easy. Just whisk all of that until you get to the peak that you want. I like mine to be at stiff peak when it's really stiff. But if you don't want it like that, you can just whisk it less to be softer. And that is it, guys. I just put mine in a nice cup. I topped it with my whipped cream, just added some the chocolate chips, some Star Anise and cinnamon stick, and that is it, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification button. Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays. Bye.